Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ellen Crimi-Trent. Today we're going to make 4 fun Christmas trees. This one has some gold ink on it. It's pretty fun. They're so easy, simple. Anybody can do this. And I show you how easy it is. And it's just basically 3 greens, a couple of blues, and some brown. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I have my paints mixed here. I have a medium green, like a hooker's green, a lime yellow green here. I'm probably going to use some of the indigo blue here, and an ultramarine blue, maybe some black and some brown, like a burnt umber. So, actually I'll do the burnt umber first. So we're going to make 4 simple loose trees. I'm going to start with a loose medium medium green. Get it pretty watery and load it up on my Grumbacher number 10 golden edge brush. There it is. It's a good size. It has a nice point to it, but it has a nice belly to it too. So what I'm going to start to do is just do like a pointy top, pull it out like so, and then just brush down and leave some white areas. And I'm just going to brush out like this. It's real simple, easy. Connect them. You're touching the top of the line of green foliage, and you're leaving some spaces in between. I'll pull this out a little more over here, keeping it wet. Now you can do more of a triangular shape and go all the way to the bottom. Just leave it like that. For me, I'm going to add the brown stem right down here. Simple. And then I'm going to grab some of that, told you, that deep indigo, and just hit the side here like it's a shadow. See, it's already wet. Just going in here and touching it, pulling it out. I'm going to grab some of that deep hooker's green and then go next to that in the middle and pull it out. So it's kind of like the sun is, excuse me, the lighting's bad. The sun is hitting this side, not that side. It's a shady side. And you can play around with this, adding the deep green with the indigo blue. However, you can make it however dark you want it, however light you want it. Grab some of that hooker's green. Blend it in a little more over here. There you go, first tree. Second tree, I'm going to take just water on the brush, clean the brush, water on the brush. Make like a teardrop, a pool of water. I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a teardrop. You can kind of see that, yes. Let me squeeze down a little bit more. Focus. Okay, so it's a little dirty, but I'll clean it off. Doesn't matter because it's going to be. So make like a big teardrop. And then we're going to grab that hooker's green and just dab the edges like that and see how it's bleeding. And grab some ultramarine blue. Hit that too. So this is kind of like a blue spruce. That's my favorite Christmas tree to get. It holds the needle. It holds the ornaments better. The needles are nice and stiff. That's the only kind I like. Or I'm sorry, that's not the only kind. I like the Douglas fir too. And if we can't get the blue spruce, we get the Douglas fir, which happens a lot. But the blue spruce is the best. So it's like a teardrop. But then we're gonna do. I'm gonna grab some more paint, a little more blue. Bluish green and a little more of the hooker's green. Just get it in there. Okay. Take some of that paint off the brush with a paper towel, and now you're going to take the tip of your brush and just wisp it out, like so. You see me wisping it? Push the paint outward. It's going to have this nice, fun effect. Like a fuzzy tree, like a Dr. Seuss tree, but it doesn't have to be goofy. You can make it more serious. You can really keep pushing it out, getting back to that tree shape. Let's see how easy this is. And depending on the color you want, go back and add color. Now, like I said, you can leave it on the ground like that, or you can put a stem in too. A stem, excuse me, a trunk. This daylight savings is killing me. I don't know about you, but it's killing me. I'm so off kilter. Okay, for the next tree, see how easy that was? We're going to start with the brown burnt umber mixed with a little raw sienna, maybe a touch of black. And we're going to start with our tree trunk. And then we're going to go in and take the medium green. Grab some of that. Good constant. It's watery, but not super watery. And we're going to do like a line out here. Just setting the position of what we're going to touch. Simple lines like that. And then from there, I'm going to wisp out little lines. Just little wisps. I'm going to take some paint off the belly of my brush and just use more of the point. Gotta add some more paint. So it's kind of like a Charlie Brown tree. But we'll fix on that. Go up here and do a little point. You're going to just keep adding, pulling out. Put another one on the bottom. I mean, if you had this type of Christmas tree, you won't get many ornaments on the tree. Now you can do another layer in between that you set those layers out. Still showing the trunk. Just a nice variety of tree. And go back in and grab some of that dark hooker's green. Just dab it on the end right here. You see me dabbing this? By the trunk. You can dab it towards the tips too. Do some wisps in between. That's a fun little tree. And our last tree, I'm going to move this down a little bit. Another super one, easy. I'm going to take that yellowish green, maybe a little more regular green, pretty loose, wet on the brush, and we're just going to go like this and use the belly pushing down and pulling out, pushing down, pulling out, pushing down, pulling out. You push down on the belly and pull up to the tip, down and up. It's really simple. You're pushing down and pulling up. And you add the little wisps. This guy is super easy. Nice little color, and then I'll put the trunk on the bottom of that one. I don't want to touch it because it's going to bleed, so we'll get as close as possible without touching it. Now you can leave it that color, just one solid color. You want to add in some of the medium green and just dab it. Can have a polka dot effect, which would be fun. It's kind of fun, huh? Or you can add some of that hooker's green with a little indigo. Hit the tips. Just the tips on the edges. And that will blend in, do a little more polka dots. And that will give it more of a variety. If you want to take, I can't seem to find my fan brush. Oh, here it is. The fan brush. You could just go in and wisp it around. And grab some of this medium paint and wisp. So they're kind of fuzzy on the edges. Just a slight detail, which is kind of nice on a few of the branches. The fan brush is fun to play with. Gives you that grass look. And there you have it. 4 Christmas trees. My singing is terrible. But you get the idea. These are great and simple and easy. Anybody can do these. And you can play with them and do a whole bunch of them in a pattern, or just have one on a card. And you could sit there and add some, let's see, I have some gold ink. Kind of pretty if you add some gold dots. I use this Liquidtex acrylic ink. It's nice. It's very shiny. So it'd be pretty if you had just some simple gold dots. Gives it more of an elegant feel to it. Do the same thing in any of the trees if you want. Put a star on them. And that's that. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. And thank you for watching my channel. I enjoy all the comments that I get. I'm glad you're liking the videos. And have a great day.